Violation! Violation! Open the door! Violation! I got this noise violation and everybody thinks that I'm weird. Curtis is crazy, Ryan is stinky, and Steve's water, cigarette beer. Wait, how many times does the break sound?
Oh my god, dude, these are the worst parts I've ever smoked in.
Is that you or Ryan?
You can't tell by the smell, it's been all day long.
Dude,
I'm starting to get used to it. Like this.
Alright, hey, how many times does that breakdown go through, man?
I'm starting to get used to
Off
it.
some shit right
Oh my
now.
god, please buy a mattress and incense, please, dude.
I don't have it.
Oh my god, dude, I can't see it. I gotta plug my nose with something.
Yeah, don't lose that, man. I don't got another 270 to give you.